welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you tricks that you can do on CapCut with just your phone. If this is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button. The first trick I'll be showing you is how to blur the background of your videos. So we click on CapCut. Then when you click on CapCut, you click on new project. So we are going to select the photo, the picture we're going to use. Remember, you can add this effect to both pictures and videos. So this is it. You click on effects, click on video effects, then you search for blur. Then when you search for blur, you select this one. So this is it. Cancel. So we've selected it. You click on the check mark. So delete this ending. Then make sure the blur effect is you shift it to cover the full length of the picture or video you want to use. I'm using a picture for this video, for this tutorial, for some reasons. So this is it. Click on export. Remember, you can use this effect, this trick, on both pictures and videos. So you click on done. We're going to click on new project, go to videos, then click on what we just edited, then click add. So we're going to add the other one. So we click on overlay, add overlay, then select the unedited version, this one. So now we have the unedited version. Click on add. So you're going to make sure you resize it, you reshape it so it's on the same size with the original one. So now the next thing we're going to do is click on the unedited one, scroll down to remove background, auto removal. So this is it. It looks blurred now. We've blurred the background. The reason why it looks like this is because the background already looks blurred. So I'll click the undone version. So this is it. Click on the undone version. You see, then click on the one we just did. So you can see the difference. So this, you can apply this to both pictures and videos. So that's it. We remove the background. You click on export. So the next trick I'll be showing you on CapCut is how to make a text appear behind the person. So we are on CapCut already. Click on new project. So we're going to be using this video, this short video. Click on add. So what we're going to do is add the text. This is the video. So I'll be click on text. I'll be adding my name. Click on add text. Then you can select the font you want here. You can choose whichever font you want. I'm having trouble um getting the font because there is no service here. The service is bad. So let's just use the one we have here. We're going to write the name of this channel, Samuel Zane. Then we're going to resize it and adjust it. So I just want to show you something. This is not, it's just for this video. I'm just showing you how to make a text appear behind the person. You can edit, you can change the font and all that if you want. So okay, as you can see, we have the font here already. So you can select whichever one you want. This one, it's taking time to load, so let me just go with the one I have here. Click on good, then make sure you shift this text, make sure it covers the full length of the video. See, so let's delete this ending. So make sure the text covers the full length of the video. So the next thing we're going to do is click on export. So we've exported the video, click on done. So then we're going to click on new project again. So as we've clicked on new project, we're going to click on the one we just edited, this, click on add. So this is it. The next thing we're going to do is click on overlay, add overlay. Then we're going to add the unedited version of this. This is it. Click on add. Then we're going to resize it. Make sure it covers the the frame. So this is okay. My hands are shaking. So make sure it covers the frame. So we're going to scroll down to remove background, auto removal. So we've removed the background and this is what we have. The reason why it looks like this is because I did not adjust it very well. So I'm going to adjust it like this. Click on good. So this is how it looks like. This is how you put a text behind a person. It's a very cool trick that you can do on CapCut. So remember, you can edit this text the way you want. The reason why I did not edit mine is just because of this video. This is a tutorial video, so you can edit it. You can change the font, change the color to your taste. You can change it to your desired taste if you want. So, but for the sake of this video, I'm just leaving it like this. So you click on export. That's it. So the next trick I'll be showing you on CapCut is how to zoom in. So zoom in and zoom out. So this is CapCut. We go to new project. So we're going to be using this picture. Click on add. Then let's just lengthen this a little bit. So this is what we have. So the next thing we're going to do is click on this diamond shape that we have here, this keyframe. You insert it. So you shift it a little bit. You insert another keyframe. This is where we want the zoom to happen. So what you're going to do is zoom the image with your fingers. So we've zoomed it now. So we're going to go back so that to check if we are satisfied with the zoom. So the next thing we're going to do is insert another keyframe. This is where we want the zoom out to happen. So you insert another keyframe and zoom out to the original size of the picture. Then let's be sure of what we did. Click on play. So you see that. That's how you zoom in and zoom out on CapCut. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like and comment. I'll be on the comment section waiting for you guys. If you have any question you want to ask, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be there to reply you. Thank you so much.